and clean it now. Oh, okay. So, my socks are clean, by the way. Today, I got some 3 packs of slime here. Oh my god, I ingredients in there. Oh my god, I broke. Yep. Oh, well, my thing broke. Oh, look at my temper right there. Oh no. Let's keep that in right there. Okay. There we go. So we got one of my slime. Then we got my other slime. And we got my other slime on there, but it's right now. The first slime that we're gonna make it crunchy. If I have not enough beans, but let's put those slime in the corner. Okay, so I'm gonna add some red dye in. A little, so going. Make sure you put like a hole in there. Then let's stick it like right there. Okay. Oh, it's mixed. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, it's dripping. You ready? We're looking inside. The inside. Okay. Let's see. Looks like blood. Looks like I put some of my blood. We need like a lot of food cooking. If I have enough. But okay. I added a lot. Wait, guys didn't tell me. Oh, my hands are kind of red. You want to be careful about the colorings because they stick. Okay, right now, it's turning into it. Now we add some red. I don't care. It doesn't matter if there's some red. Oh, wait, I'm gonna add some green glitter. Green glitter. Yeah.
Stay in your room. It's hot in here. You're hot?
No. And I'm making a YouTube channel right now of my slime.
Tomada también, si me encerré en el cuarto para evitar problemas, acostarme a dormir, me iban a querer fucking romperme la puerta. Ahí fue reventar, puño. Con esa cabrón.
Allá va.
A ver.
Bye.
Toma, dale este coba a Kelly.
It's in the top.
Eso tiene más cobre, carajo.
Sí, pero...
Está más salió. No, si va a Walmart y siempre le consiguen ropa, ¿no?
Sí, porque ella más, los nenes son más de esto.
Let's look at this. I'm gonna add some of this, kind of. It's a masala. So let's open it. Let's add a little at a time. Okay, we added that.
Vente, Nicole.
What?
You're gonna stay there, you're gonna come to the room with me.
Coming right now when I'm almost finished.
Oh, okay, so sorry.
I'll come in so. Okay. Oh, it makes it more better. Wait, I like water. Now we're finished with that. No, I'm still looking. Okay. Water makes the thing more better, but let's take. No, whatever. Just take that out. Oh, okay. Let's add some beads in the slime. Oh, we could add some of this. Oh, these guys saw me with my mouth. Oh, that's good. Now we're gonna add some googly eyes. I don't know, I'm just going on. Is that a googly eyes? No, wait. Yeah, it's the googly eyes. Okay, where's the thing? Oh, that's enough googly eyes. Let's add more beads. Okay, let's add a little bit more. My hands are messy because there's like a lot of glitter. Let's make this country slime. Oh my god, that's really good. Right now, I wonder why these not sticking. We got a bead right there, a green bead. Let's see what else beads we can find. Oh, look, we got a yellow one, right, a green yellow. We got a other yellow. We got another bead. Let's see. Oh no, come back. Oh, there it is. We got another yellow bead. How many yellow beads are in them? Just add some of clear beads. Add some of these. Oh no, just keep falling. A little bit more glitter. I love glitter everywhere. Oh, look at that. Found some googly eyes. The beads are keep falling. I got glitter and glitter all over me right now. Let's add some of this in there. It's like the ocean, but the galaxy. Oh, that just splattered everywhere. Okay, that's good. Ooh, that just feels so weird and so slimy. Off to the next. Off to the next line. we got this slime right here. It's a green slime. Okay, I made it at school. My teacher did it all wrong. So I like that as like some water probably. It's not coming out. I need to add some of this blue thing. Okay. I think water does the best of the slime because this slime is like okay. The glittery. You see all those crunchy stuff? This slime is a fit. Look, when you stretch it, it breaks apart. That slime is a very fail. So we're not gonna use that slime instead. Instead of that slime, we're gonna use that baby slime. Feels very weird. Come out, come out. If you guys have Musical.ly, comment down below because I have Musical.ly too. Ugh. Ooh. Okay, that drop down. Oh, that's just disgusting. Okay. We got this slime that doesn't stick. Okay. This is not a very good slime. And this is like a different slime. So. A very different slime. I'm on some glitter because I got this at Family Dollar. I think I held it. Oh, look at that glitter. So that slime was just fail. Ready? It's gonna like fall in there.